Based on the calculations, this curve will be cut out and used at the end right here. So probably I need to cut the metal probably another 4 or 5 inches to accommodate for that. Then this flat piece that does not have a curve is going to be moved up to this edge and tacked in. So I'm going to need additional probably 3 or 4 inches.
That's what she said.
For the natural curve of the sport hood, probably it's going to go that way. And it's going to go even more because we're going to make up for the curve of this out here. Does that make sense?
Nope. All I hear is 88 miles per hour and 21 gigawatts.
The next piece that we're going to have to get are these vents. I know these lines don't represent vents to you, but when we get the vents, we'll see how they line up and the angle on the vents, because this is going to be straight across all the way. And it's going to be even with this part of the hood. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It makes perfect sense in my brain.